Hi, my name is Jensen Asplund, and this is my design ad. So I decided to go with Nikes, and in this ad, specifically, we can see that it says, the shoe works if you do. So basically, without your movement, there's no way the shoe would be able to move. So the first thing I notice right here is the color scheme. The color scheme is very simple. And it makes the shoe stand out. As you can see, it's just plain black lettering with a gray background, and it goes a light gray background with the dark gray shoes. Next, we have the contrast of the letters. So if you look over here, the shoe works if you do. The lettering is different than what you have down here. Next, you have the alignment. As you can see, the author in this did center alignment. That way you can go straight down the page. And as you can see, the shoes are right in the middle to help point the eyes to the object, which is the shoes. Next, you're going to have my ad design. It's not as good as Nike, but it's okay. So in this one, I have a Nike shoe because I'm trying to keep with the theme of Nike. And because the theme is you are the person to make the shoe move, I put you move, it moves. And then, of course, I have the Nike logo. And what I'm picking out right here is the typography. This is used to make the words easy to read. So basically, the lettering and the colors are easy to read for viewers, and it's cleaner, so it's easier to see, and it stands out because of the red. And that's my presentation. Thank you.